Hello everybody, I am clearly not in my studio, but it doesn't matter because it's wheel collectors that matters right now. They just got the 2019 Hot Wheels N case, and that means the Bugatti. And because this is such a special case for this rapid unboxing that we're doing, done by our friends at Wheel Collectors, we are actually going to do a giveaway. What I want you to do is watch the rapid unboxing, pick 3 models that are your favorites from this case. Comment down below on what those 3 models are, and then follow the link that you see right here to the Wheel Collectors channel. Subscribe to them. They are going to take all the comments in this video here on the Lamley channel. They're going to draw 3 winners. Make sure that they're subscribed to the Wheel Collectors channel, and then they are going to send those 3 winners the 3 models that they listed as their favorites, and that can be the Bugatti. So go ahead and enjoy the video, pick out your 3, comment below, tell your friends this should be fun, go subscribe to their channel, enjoy the vid, we'll see you on the next one.